I have a Temu haul to share with you guys. These items were sent to me, but I do buy from them a lot. I love all their items. I am an affiliate with them, so I do have a coupon code. It is fav45575. You'll put this in the search bar on the website or on the app. I will also link all of these products down below so you guys can find it easy. And if you guys ever have any questions, let me know and I'll try to help you guys out. So let's dive on in. I'm really excited. So for $8.91, I got these what are they? Rub-on transfers, and I did not expect them to be this big. I thought it was gonna be like this. So it's definitely double the size. I do want to open them up and go through them and show you guys. So I kind of wish like I had a bigger wood piece so I can use these. But I'm thinking maybe on like a book page. So we got little birdhouse here. We got our bunny. We got our chickie. These are so good. Oh my gosh, look at this little face. These are so nice. Okay, I need to go find me something to like put these on. Oh my god, look at the little sheep with the little flowers. This little like Peter Rabbit dude. Oh no, he looks more like a Peter Rabbit. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Wow, love the green truck. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, look, and then it came with the tool. So we have popsicles, we have a long scraper here, and then we have this one that's a little bit smaller. I think I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, this one seems a little bit more flimsy than this one, so I would probably use this one to like press it all down. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay, I am running back to the shop and adding more to cart because these are so good. I did get one more. Oh, and it does show you on the back here, it does have like the instructions here. Oh, see, look, they put it like on these wood crates, on watering cans, on a lampshade. So I had to go with the blue. You guys know I love my blue flowers. So $8.42 for this pack. How many sheets were in here? This one says that there was 6 sheets in this one. Oh, they both say 6 sheets. Okay, I can feel the bottom back here has all the tools as well. And here we have our blue flowers and butterflies. Oh, there's some like writing in the background on some of these. Oh, cute. I didn't notice that at first. Oh, are these all the same? So these 2 sheets are the exact same. Okay, this one is different. This one has birds. So, okay, you get 2 of those. Interesting, because the Easter ones, the sheets were all different. And this one, you get 2. So this pack, you only get 3 different designs. So that's what those look like. Very pretty, but I'm obsessed with those Easter ones. Those are so cute. And I'll do a video showing what these look like once I get them all like together. Okay. So with spring coming up, I want to do, you know, I better move these. I'm going to end up smashing them. I want to do like a Bumblebee project. I think would be really cute. So I got some stuff to start with that. And then I have another haul coming that I'll have more items. So there is this pack. It has like bees and little crystals and the honeycomb. And then there's the larger size honeycomb. There's like the little bear. And some sprinkles in there. Really cute. So I'm going to use these for a sequence mix. This was $1.44. I don't know how many grams is in this one. And I got this pack right here. And this is 10 grams. And this one was $1.31. I'm going to guess this is 10 grams too, because it kind of looks and weighs about the same. So I guess this is 10 grams as well. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So I got this one because it says Peeps. Anything that with Peeps, I have to get. I just think it's so cute. And then look at the little bunny face right here. And the Happy Easter. So really cute. Nobody loves you like I do. That's so cute. Yeah, these are adorable. And I think there was a die set for it as well, but I didn't get the die set. So I might go back and get those because that's really cute. Let's see, 76 cents for 12 pieces. Wow, that was really good. I didn't remember that. So these are little butterfly appliques, and I got the mix pack of colors. You can also choose which color you want. So I like getting a mix pack anytime I can. So we have some red, some pink, some white, a cream. Oh, I wish there would have been more of this color. That's pretty. Oh, some more purple would have been nice too. That's really nice. And then we have some yellow. I really like the yellow. Yellow and like this kind of blue is like my favorite for Easter, and like a lighter purple than this. I love that. Well, not necessarily just Easter, but like spring. Just think it's really pretty, the pastels. Okay, this one was so funny. I had to figure out like, what did I order? Like I had forgot at first. This die set, it makes a little sign, and it was $1.62. No, $2.62. So this is like your pole, and then you take your carrots and then you hang them on here, and then you can take the word like eggs and put it on here, and then was it Easter hunt? So you can just put them on the little carrots. There's a little egg. These are the tops for the carrots. This is down for the dirt, so you can put that down here. I don't remember what this is. I'll have to look at the photo. But yeah, I'll definitely put that together and share with you guys what that looks like. This die set has the word Peeps in it. So that's why I went ahead and I grabbed that one. That was $2.61. This one is some more like banners with the Easter words. And then look at the like tiny little peep right there. And the tiny little egg. Really cute. And then you can save the letters after you die cut it, and then you can like mix and match. So that's really cute. How much was that? $1.36 for that one. Okay, this one I'm really excited to put together. This one was $4.22, and it's like this part down here folds up, so you now have pockets, and then you can like accordion fold it so you have like a little folio. Thought that was really cute. And then look at all these pieces you get. You get flowers, you get some branches, you get a layering piece here, you get this like little label piece. These kind of look like tickets up here. This one looks like another layering piece. We have some ovals, some hearts. We have a ticket. This looks like a window. And then we have like a film strip. So tons of little pieces. Oh, did I show you this little flag over here as well? So tons of little pieces for $4.22. I think that is a really, really good deal for that one. This one was $5.53, and it's a total of 200 pieces. So I love making bead dangles and chunky charms. So I thought this would be really good for me to go ahead and have in my stash. So you already have the cards cut out. And then right here is where you can go ahead and hang like your little dangle off of. I don't have any chunky charms out here. But yeah, I thought this would be really cute to just go ahead and hang it, and then you're going to put it in here to package it. So I thought that was really nice, really good little idea. So I could go ahead and put together some little chunky charms. So that's why I grabbed those. I'm wondering if, like, how could I decorate these? Oh, maybe with like my little rub-on transfers, I could decorate this. So then that way it doesn't mess up like my little hole right here. Because if I lay a paper on it, then I'm going to lose this part. I'll have to play with it and see. So, I don't know. I got those. I figured that would be really good for like some little dangly bits. Oh, look. Oh, no, this is too wide. But it gives you the idea of how you just hang it through right there. Like that. So, I don't think I ever showed you guys this little thing I put together either. So, there's I got these little stickers off of Temu as well in a previous haul. Okay, just had to double check my bag. That is everything that I got this go around. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. If you guys need help looking for something on Temu, let me know. I love browsing and shopping on there. And like I said, don't forget to use my coupon code, and all of these products will be linked down below. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.